Today, we tried hemp bedding in our chicken coop, and I'm gonna give you all the scoop on if it's actually worth it or not. But first up, a big thank you to GrubTerra for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have ever tried their black soldier fly larvae or their coop refresher, then you guys know how high quality those products are. And today, I'm actually using their hemp bedding in our chicken coop. So before we get started with the in-depth review, I just want to talk about exactly what is hemp bedding. So hemp bedding is made from the inner stalk of a hemp plant. It's supposedly super absorbent, low dust, and compost friendly, and I'm gonna give you the real honest truth coming from a backyard chicken keeper. First, let's talk about the pros of the product before we get into the cons. I've noticed that it absorbs moisture really well, and it does a really awesome job at reducing odor, especially that ammonia smell. It breaks down really fast in compost, and it's low dust. Unlike pine shavings, and you guys are putting them in, they probably kick up a lot of dust in your chicken coop. It's not good for your chickens, and it's definitely not good for you. Hemp bedding is definitely a more low dust option, and it's even better if you have trouble breathing or you have a condition like asthma. This is gonna be much better for you. It's also super soft and comfy for the birds, and you guys know that happy birds means more eggs. And really, this stuff has been holding up really well. Now that we've talked about the pros, let's talk about the cons, because there are a few. And like I said, this is an honest review, so it's not just all pro. This stuff, I noticed, is much more expensive than other beddings that you can get. I mean, I can get a pretty decent size bag of pine shavings for a pretty low price. But this hemp bedding costs a lot more. A lot of times hemp bedding isn't available locally, and it's not for me. I actually have to order it in from online. Like I said, I got this from GrubTerra, and that's probably the case for you. If you can get it locally, that's awesome, and it's probably gonna be a lot cheaper too. I've noticed too that if hemp bedding gets really soaked, it can clump up a little bit, which sometimes is a problem. So it's definitely more of the upfront cost than the pine shavings, but I have noticed that the low dust and the easier clean out have really made it worth it. Overall, I'd say GrubTerra's hemp bedding is definitely worth a shot in your chicken coop, especially if you've already tried and love their other products. The coop smells better, the chickens are comfortable and happy, and it's much easier to clean. And let's be real guys, anything from GrubTerra that makes my chickens happy is a win. So I'm gonna leave a link to all of GrubTerra's chicken products and a discount code for you in the description and pinned comment. Make sure you guys at least go check it out. And if you all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. If you're new and haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried hemp bedding before and what your thoughts were.